The phone goes at 3 in the morning. Same asset as last quarter. Maintenance is the first budget cut. Defer the shutdown. Stretch the component another quarter. You plan the week. The plant decides otherwise. Firefighting becomes how the site runs. How much of that is bad luck? Almost none. Reliability is engineering. Somebody has to do the engineering. Holistic Asset Management, the reliability experts. Reliability engineering and asset management for heavy industry across Australia. It starts with evidence, the failure modes driving your downtime, and what they cost you a year. That number sets the scope. Our engineers embed with your crew until the failures stop repeating, and the knowledge stays when we leave. Proof? 1 greenfield iron ore plant, 353 planned routine tasks before first ore.